Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island, and you can visit us online at islandford.ca for more information and a full description of this vehicle. Today we're looking at a 2020 F-150 LARIAT in rapid red with black leather trimmed seats, seating for 5, 4 doors, 2 regular, 2 smaller, with a 6.5-foot box. This has a 5-liter V8 engine. It's a 4x4, and it also has a trailer tow package. As well, it has the 360 split view camera, which is part of the technology package. It also has a LARIAT chrome package, which gives you the chrome handles, running board, bumper, grille, and fenders. And it is really easy to get into this truck. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive, and you can book that online at islandford.ca. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. There's also memory for 3 drivers, and you have this nice wood grain inlay. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar. Your electronic parking brake is located here, and the power pedals here. Lighting controls and LED side view mirror spotlights. The steering wheel has power, tilt, and telescoping, and with the help of the running board and grab handle, it's easy to get in. On the face of the steering wheel is your dash controls, cruise control, media with volume, and sync voice activated system. When we start up the vehicle, which is push start, our foot's on the brake, keys in the pocket, and we're going to push our engine start stop button. And I'm just going to close my door again because I know that message is going to come up. There you go. And we can toggle through our menu, My View, Trip Fuel, Truck Info, Towing, Off-Road, Settings, and these all have submenus. In the center, you're seeing the B&O badging for your audio system, and you've got a little bin. There's traction control, hazard lights, and there's your 360 split view camera, which is part of your technology package. You can just toggle through by pressing auto stop start for less idle time. We can go into our sources, AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, as well as Bluetooth. You also have navigation, and you'll see the map appear. And when you put the vehicle in reverse, this is where you're going to see your backup camera view. There you go. And as well, you have your settings that you can go into, and we can slide through there for different options, Wi-Fi, Ford Pass Connect, and so forth. You've got your volume and tuner down below, dual climate control for driver and passenger, as well as heated and cooled seats for both, and the fans in the center. You have your front and rear defrost and AC and max AC. Off to the side, 4x4 locking differential, pro trailer backup, and integrated trailer brake controller. Down in the cubby, you've got a couple of USB outlets. Just press it in the center, it'll close right up. You have an automatic select shifter and drive mode, and as we press through, it'll appear on the dash, normal, tow haul, snow wet, eco, sport, and back around again. And then you also have your lane keeping as well as your parking assist, a couple of cup holders, and the ambient light, that's that rings on the bottom. Your armrest opens up, and it's quite generous in size. You can take the little bin out. Down below, lots of room, plus a 12 volt, so you can plug in and connect. Off to the side, another 12 volt and a 110. And you also have a locking glove compartment. Up above, auto dimming rear view mirror, universal garage door opener, your lighting controls, sunglass holder, and you have a power sliding window in the back. That's what that's for. And there's a grab handle in the body, making it easier to get in. 18-inch wheels, chrome and magnetic running board, chrome door handle with intelligent access, meaning when the fob's in close proximity, you can lock and unlock the doors, and keyless entry keypad. Driver's side, capless, easy fuel gas filler. The chrome handle extends to the tailgate. The tailgate is lockable and removable. And the backup camera is located just below that handle. Backup sensors on your bumper, 4 and 7-pin connector, trailer hitch, and a locking spare tire. And then when you're ready to bring down that tailgate, you can double click your fob, and it'll bring it right down for you. You've got that nice spray in liner with tie downs in all 4 corners, as well as box link. And there's also a tailgate step, and that just makes it easier to get in. And then when you're ready, just close it up, lock it up, and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. And on your fob, you have remote start. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power windows. And the nice thing about these doors, they open 170 degrees, giving you more room to put items in the back. There's seating for 3 with a 60-40 split. You simply pull the tab and then lift the seat, and you have more room on the floor. Then pull the tab again and bring it down, and you now have it in the regular seated position. There's anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats, and a nice all-weather mat for easy cleanup. You also have carpeted mats, slim pockets on the back of the front seat, and in the center a couple of cup holders, 12 volt, 110, and USB outlets, air vents on each side. Up above there's hooks and lighting, and in the back access to a power sliding window, and it has rear defrost. Chrome bumper, 5.5-foot box, privacy glass in the back windows, powered side view mirrors with blind spot information system, auto high beams, fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.